Really? Yes.
Really curing?
Yes, really curing.
Still water coming out, no?
Yeah.
Yep.
This one. Just turn. Tomorrow.
Right, I am going to cut the salmon.
Yes, please.
What knife would you like?
Oh yes, the filet salmon.
Oh, have you got like a fish
Yes.
knife, like a fillet?
Correct.
I think I know which one. Is it that one there? It's not that one, is it?
No. Where did it go? Ah,
That
here.
one, yes.
Ta-da!
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to come over this side, Joe, because I'm right-handed.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's better.
Mm-hmm. That's much better.
Yeah.
Ooh la la. Wow.
Yes.
Smell great.
And then we have this crackers. Maybe this.
Do you want it on the same thing, do you?
No, we need a separate.
Put it in there.
Let me try.
Yeah, those are the...
Any good? Oh, a bit salty.
It's alright.
Ah, the ball's warm.
I put like. Next time I have to put less salt inside.
I think that's just the end.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I cut the end off. The middle will be fine here.
Oh yeah? Let me try. Oh yes. Yeah, that's the end.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So then now make it the dressing. Yes. No, this just put all in.
All of them.
All of them. Yeah, look very nice. I like the cheesy. Yes.
With plastic, apparently.
Yes. Thank you very much. Yes.
Do you want the,
Margarine?
yeah, the fruit chutney things out as well?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
And then put 5 some teaspoon on the side.
Yeah. How many? Ah, okay. No, it's not that one. This one, big apple or fruit. Quince. You know what? I'd quite like to try the home.
Because I have the.
Do you want me to use the
Yes,
rest?
yeah.
Wow, that's pretty. Do you want anything else opened?
Yes. That. Ah, there. Can't taste the food. Maybe not. Do you want to have a bigger bag? Bigger box? How about?
Ooh, very pretty.
Wow, very nice.
All of it?
Yeah.
And keep the plastic, right? In
Yes.
between, yes.
And
Right.
So we are pretty good set now.
Good there.
Lemon.
Oh yes, of course. Got a champagne in.
Lemon.
Wow. The line. You too. Oh,
What's this?
this for the salad. Thank you, Papa. Ta-da.
It's so funny that the Japanese dishes from the cheap dollar store,
But they
yen
look,
store.
then they look great. Like,
Yeah, they look great. That's it.
From here, it actually looks like glass.
Yeah.
It's not clear.
Yes.
It's weird. Like,
Ah, very nice. And this one on the side. You put the fish inside and you put this on top.
Wait, I'll move this bit that way. Give me that over. There we go.
That very loud plane rumble was a.
Baba,
Excellent.
come. Ready.